Hey, Dave here for an OmniCube Pro overview. Today we're going to take a look at the Aqua carry vise. This is a pair of all-weather carry clamps that locks onto your material with a vise-like action and gives you a handhold exactly where you need it. If you're currently moving stone around by hand, obviously I highly recommend you get a cart or a dolly to roll when you can and save your back. And hopefully you'll consider getting some single savers to protect your material. But for me personally, if I could get just one thing, I'd get a pair of Aqua. I know I'm biased because I work here, but seriously, these things will make your life so much easier. Normally you have to go all the way down to the ground, get your 4 fingers under the slab, and then make it all the way back up. And if you can manage that successfully, you're left supporting the whole piece on 4 fingers, usually in the sharpest place possible. How does that always happen? And look, of course, a couple of guys are going to try to jump into the middle of the slab and try to help. But let's face it, they're not really doing anything. They're usually making it worse. Now, if you've got the stone way up here, you better not stumble, because if there's a problem, you got to get it all the way back down again without damaging the slab or yourself. Now, this is a 2 cm slab, so I'm going to go ahead and set up the shaft pin into the 2nd notch to match my material thickness. With a pair of Aqua, I can hold up to 800 pounds. That's essentially a full uncut slab. Though you will want to keep these maintained with a little lube and keep the threads clean. And your stone should be hand swipe clean. But that's it. With Aqua, I can keep my arms straight, right? Bend at the knees and put these on at the spot that's right for me. Now I'll hand tighten these alternately. Up, down, up, down. Hand tight is all it takes. Simple. And if he's a different height than me, that's not a problem. He can put his on where it's best for him. Now we can both keep our back straight and lift with our legs. You don't want to lift with your arms, just let them hang. And use both hands to support the load. Look, this is way stronger than this, right? So I'm going to wrap my full hand around the grip, and I'm going to have way more endurance than using 4 fingers. Now head straight, we're going to let our legs, the biggest muscles in our body, do the lift. Okay, easy. Now, the center of gravity is down low. So much safer. If we have a problem, it's right down, right there, safe and sound. Even these grips were chosen by an engineer to conform to your hand, increasing the coefficient of friction with your hand, which actually magnifies your grip strength. Aqua jaws are the only clamps that attach to the stone until you take them off. You can push, you can pull, you can go upstairs, you can use them to steer, you can transfer the load to someone else, you can even share the load. You can't do that with anything else. And if you add a handle kit, now we can get 8 hands on this slab at the ends where they're actually helping. Having the right tools makes your job safer and easier.